starting with zero online presence and reaching over 3.3 million people in just 4 months. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm sharing how one dentist, Dr. Mita of Truth and Smiles, did exactly that using Instagram. Yes, Instagram, the one you hate right now, to launch her private practice. Stick around because by the end of this live, you're gonna have actionable takeaways to transform your own online presence. Hi friends, I'm Prati, your chai-loving social media strategist who's all about simplifying the chaos of social media into actionable steps that actually work. No fluff, no jargon, just clear strategies that bring results. So today, I'm taking you behind the scenes, one of my favorite success stories. It's a case study that proves the power of consistency, creativity, and a sprinkle of fun on Instagram can make it happen. Here's the backstory. Dr. Mita, aka Dr. Truthful, was opening her very first private dental practice. She had no online presence and was facing a common challenge: how to stand out in a field that often feels intimidating to people. Her goal was to build credibility, trust, and connection with her local community first before ever opening doors. And let me tell you, we delivered big time. First, we knew we had to make her approachable. Dentistry can feel scary, so we leaned into a non-judgmental, friendly tone. We highlighted her personality with short, fun reels, lip syncs, quick tips, and bite-sized educational videos that made oral health feel less daunting. Now, we also tapped into the power of local collaborations. We partnered with school PTA and mom bloggers to spread the word. Moms are the ultimate connectors, am I right? And then we also took advantage of trending audios on Instagram. Did you know 2 of her reels went viral? Yes, hitting over 2 million and 1 million views each, all in under 10 seconds. Sometimes less is more. Here's where it gets amazing. In just 4 months, we reached 3.3 million people, had over 35,000 people visit her profile, and grew her following to over 600 people just on Instagram, and created a visually cohesive feed that screamed trust and professionalism. And the best part, her followers weren't just watching, they were engaging with her. Profile visits skyrocketed, and people were DMing her to say they couldn't wait to book an appointment once her practice opened. Now here are 3 key lessons you can take from Dr. Mita's success story. Show your face. People connect with people, especially service providers, not logos. Let them see who you are. And then number 2, educate in small bites. Attention spans are so short these days, but quick tips and fun videos work wonders. Third, consistency is queen. It's not about going viral, it's about showing up consistently with valuable, relatable content. So here's the thing. Dr. Mita didn't just show up on Instagram, she showed up with strategy. And that's really what made a difference. Okay, so I gave you a little peek inside one of my clients and how they found success on Instagram. And I know you might be thinking, okay, Pratik, that's great, but where do I even start? That's exactly why I created the What the F Do I Post challenge. In just a few days, you'll go from I have no idea what to post to having a clear plan without the stress. Inside, you're gonna learn my problem to post framework so you never run out of content ideas, how to align your posts with your audience and business goals, and finally, my method for making content creation effortless, fun, and actually effective. Say goodbye to blank screens and posting just to post. This challenge gives you the clarity you need to show up consistently without burning out. So click the link in the description down below to join the challenge now, and let's finally take the guesswork out of your content. And if you've loved this little case study of my client, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest struggle with posting right now on Instagram. I'm here to help. See you inside the challenge. Bye!